Cause if you full up this a dirt and with some manure and thing, you don't know if far to go. You see me? So stay tuned, remember to subscribe, you know? Basically, what you see right now is a flower spot. Yeah, it's a flower spot and thing. Tire use and make them recycle. So you don't have to burn them and pollute the atmosphere or nothing. You see me? You don't have to buy, you don't have to go buy in the flower spot. If you do this a technique right now, I tell you, so you save enough money. Basically, yeah. So see if I go through one more process I cut it up. So use water and soap. Even if you can use soap or water, I never ask. But you know, see if I make some pattern and I can cut through. So I make it like flowers, this one like flowers. And if flowers petal I say name, if I say name or correct me in a comment if I say name or whatever. You see me? See my weight up you know. So it that help to cut you with these. So you can soft up in a way. You see it? You know which way. It's soft up you know, but you soft it up in a way. Because it make it easier to cut when you wet. See it? That run my pattern when you mark out with the knife when it did dry. So yes people, basically me I say, nah run and we some money go buy flower spot. Look on this. Fill up this with dirt or put all crocus bag in the board and die and nail it on the board. And you can have a nice outside or backyard garden, you know? You can plant up your food, your fruits them. All weed man can do the same too. You see me, yeah man. I use 1, 2, 3, you know. But because they say it does hard to cut. You have to have a sharp knife still. Yeah, you have to have a sharp knife to deal with the thing. Yeah, I'm sorry if you breeze in the background, I can't help it. You know? Yeah. Remember to subscribe, share. If you don't want to share, you know. But, you know, make sure now you're in the mask. Protect yourself. You don't know how far to go. So this one like flowers. You can do anything, you know. You can catch things. Anything you can make anything out and create. Right now, this is a skill and this is a step right now, brother. So no one save on the money. Enough weed, man. Enough yeah, you know. Get out you oldtires and just fling some manure and dirt and you mix it up. And fling and see them in a good weed that you get to. Fruit with the same thing too. Fling some gungo bean. You know? Fling some gungo and bean in a okra. Yes man, potato, tomato, Irish, pumpkin. But look how it come out. Yeah, nice flower spot. And just make sure you use some and cover up the base side. You see me? Yeah. Like I said, this is a vlog. You know, say some young people are going to say boring car, you know? They want to say, you know? Obviously, they want to say gun and them thing they are fire. They want to this and this a chop up and, you know? Yeah. Naturally fuel. Yeah, see there? Freshly grown. Yeah, miss a walk about bro. You see it? Freshly grown. So like I'm saying, if you body we know, if you know the body we want, you know, you can just tell them to watch a video, get some technique and skills out there, and create their own garden on the back, front, side, you know, and when they have space or nothing. Yeah man. So this is the last day because the next one is tough. Next day is tough, so one in cut. And yeah, I'm going in soon open my own shop. You open my shop right, but I have a next shop to open. Yeah, it's going to name Wagwan. SZ I get a video or the link to show you how it goes tea and thing and drop it in the video. You don't know 40 there, you know. Yeah man. Instead of we are born car tire and I throw them away, you know. Recycle and use it for a good purpose. You see what I say? Use it for a good purpose. Because right this technique is a good thing right now. Because right now this job out there and if you carry. No, maybe 1 or 2 dirt fly out, but if a flower spot drop, you no crack up, you no break up. You see what I say? Yeah man. So this flowers, it's one painted, one painted. Final one. We are black people, yes. We always know what to do, you know. We always skillful. You see me, always skillful. So remember to share the video. Remember to share the video with your friend, family, anybody who you know, so you like farming, you know. Who don't like it can take you up to. You see it? Yeah man. Phone run go buy things are market, you can't put it on the yard and just watch no crop come. Just even want to say come, watch no crop grow up and produce, you know? Yeah. I mean I say this is a technique, yeah. Save your money. Save your money right now. You see me? Save your money right now. You show a friend and show a next friend and make a friend show a next friend like farming, brother. Send you out in a place. You know? And remember to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram too. You want to follow me on Instagram. King Roads. Or me there. King KXNG _Roads _comedy. Can't miss it, brother. You see me? Remember? No, just there, man. I go and do my thing. You see, pray. I go and do my thing, man. When I reach 1K, but you know, I go and do my thing. When me reach. Who no want support, and so can't hold in a man or can't feel this and me heart for nobody who no subscribe to my channel, but I will make it one day. You see, pray, yeah, man. We are Jamaican, man. We skillful, man. We can classes. Squash test, skillful, brother. Think of chatting. Yeah, man. See there? Nice flower spot. Nice. See, you can save your money. You see your money too. You see it? See your money. Let's put crocus bag inside that. Say dirt and fall through it or a board. You know? You know me I say a zing too. Many things you can put in a B side. Remember guys, subscribe and